One of them got me the other day. My eyeball. Tractors are much needed on Homestead.
Imagine if I'd have had a tractor when I started.
Would have been a whole lot further. Get that old yellow and that key, throw it out here and run.
That's probably that on here.
Yes, it does. Well, I got them kind of filled back in with the tractor. The trees are out, hauled off, and then now they're gonna kind of level them out, get it looking good. What you doing there, Mr. Taylor?
Smooth this out.
Looks so much better with those old yucky trees that didn't produce anymore. They were just ugly.
Yep.
They were good years ago, but not now.
Nope. Their days were up.
They'll make good firewood and smoking wood and whatever else would.
Yep.
Well, he got the trees all cut, the holes where he dug out the trees. So now he is moving, I'll go around here, all the rest of the wood chips. So we have quite a few there. I don't know how well you can see because the sun's going to go down here soon. But there's a pretty long bit there. So he's getting those wood chips. And he's going to move them back here behind the fence, out of the way. And he's moving them right here into the middle of where the bee yard is going to be. Our bee yard is bad right now, but we're going to, that's the next project, is to get the bee yard all set up. We have some bees. We've lost some this winter. But we have new bees coming in soon, so we've got to get it all redone and get those old hay bales down and that rickety fence that's been there for years. It was kind of a protection, but this guy built a storage building right there, so that pretty much blocks the horrible north wind off, so that will be good. The chickens are liking their new little pile of wood chips. They're like, oh, awesome, we got a new thing to dig in. And they got this new pile of, that's the old pear trees that they tore down and moved out here today. And so they have that to play in too. They were under it earlier. All I can see is a snake haven. right there. I don't like it. But we'll use it. We'll cut it up and use it for stuff. But anyway, they're enjoying their new little wood chip pile to dig around in today.